to get this line, but I'm going to do it anyway. Tony, 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 hey! Tony Baglin celebrating his big first birthday right there. And Tony, we were talking about it during the commercial break. We love that hat, man. We absolutely love that hat. So Tony's celebrating the big number 1 in Fort Scott. And I gave him the Tony Kornheiser theme song. That's what that's from.
He's so cute. I hope he's enjoying this winter. Owen Roberts celebrating birthday number 14 today in Columbus. Happy birthday to Owen.
I'm gonna run out to CJ because Evan Brewster, get that driver's license ready, my man. Celebrating his 60th. Out of the kayak and into the car, huh? Happy birthday, Evan.
All right, I can't wait till we can get back on the water. Let's see, we've got Jalen Buchanan turning 21 years old this year. Reason to celebrate there, Jalen in Carthage.
Reagan LeKay Olson, a 25th birthday. That's a good looking picture right there. Happy birthday to Reagan in Chanute.
Tommy Lloyd celebrating birthday number 53 this year. Tommy is in Thayer, Kansas.
And in Girard, Alan Boltinghouse up on the tractor. Trying to get rid of that snow. I can see it there on the tires. Happy birthday, Alan.
Sounds good there. And we've got Doug Leonard. He's on the left there, you can tell, with the happy birthday. Well, I guess they all got some happy birthday hats. We're looking at the one on the far left there. Doug Leonard is 74 in Humboldt. He's pictured with his 3 grandsons who all have birthdays within 2 weeks of his birthday. So they always have a big party every year.
This is a person that pre-pandemic used to run into every now and then and do miss them as well. Faye Pack turning 86 years old. Faye, I want you to have a marvelous birthday. Do miss seeing you, sir. Celebrating in Chanute.
Rebecca West celebrating another year.
Hey!
Happy birthday to Rebecca in Webb City. Looking great.
What's up, Rebecca? Happy birthday. Ashley Jarvis, she is celebrating a picture. Hey, it's Ashley Jarvis celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. Now, Ashley, want you to know that this comes not only with love from Dad and Tammy, but also the babies.
All right, we got a big anniversary here in Erie, Kansas. Lonnie and Peggy Yarnell, congratulations on your 49th anniversary. Hope it's a great celebration for you out in Erie.
Peggy, one of our frequent contributors as well. Thank you very much, and congratulations to Lonnie and Peggy. And this guy's part of the extended KOAM family. That dude up there on top, Easton Zook, he is celebrating his 3rd birthday. That happens to be the grandchild of our own Rhonda Zook, and Rhonda and Galen's grandchild right there. How great is that? Killer smile, kiddo. Kind of looks like Dad there, doesn't he?
Hey,
Look at that.
That's cute. I love
Yeah,
the
he
kids in
does.
little hats, too. All right, the party's out in Columbus because Preston Miller is also celebrating today. Happy birthday, Preston. And a happy 40th birthday to Rebecca Ross in Riverton. Love Mom, Jim, Vern, Courtney, and Brock.
Now, this is a pretty cool one right here. Tanya and I like to say sometimes we're big in Eastern Europe. We don't actually have the stats to back that up. We don't know if that's true, but we just tell ourselves that. But evidently we are big in Juneau, Alaska, because that's where Rhonda Hickman Williams lives, and she celebrates her 60th birthday. But I bring this up because Rhonda's from Deerfield, Missouri. She's one of us right there. Rhonda, very happy to you. I hope you're warmer in Juneau than we are here in the 4 states.
You know,
and this comes with love from family and friends.
That's what I was going to say. I think she went to Alaska to find warmer temperatures.
Yeah, Rhonda was like, it's too cold here.
Because if that wasn't the case, it was a complete
I'm
backfire.
going to go up to Juneau. It's warmer up there. It's warmer up there than it is in Deerfield. And Linda Roberts, a happy birthday to you. Linda, she is celebrating in Miami. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.